Hi guys, so I've received the package from Atomos, so which I purchased on March, just before the lockdown. So I purchased the Atomos Shogun 7. So there was some promotion happening for that device, so this is what I got. So wow. Okay. Some cushion item. So nothing inside.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Casper Photography. This is Sonia, your host, and today I'm back here with an accessory kit. It's of Atomos Shogun 7, and I've got this accessory kit. So here I am. Let's unbox it and see what is inside. So this is how it looks like. So you can hold it. It's a pretty good case. It also is mentioned atomos.com in here. So I'm opening it up. Here, that's what we have inside. It's filled up with good cushioning and things. So the first thing which we have is a sun visor. So that's called the sun visor. Then we have the sun visor attachment. That's the attachment to Shogun 7, and these are the Caddy which comes along with that. This is a docking station. Let me take it out and show it to you guys. So this is how it looks, and here they are the additional batteries. It comes with 5200 milliamps. So there are two of them. Here they are. There are two of them. And I don't think so, it's just that's it. I think there's some more stuffs inside, so let's quickly see what's inside as well. So that's it on top. So this is the second compartment. I did not expect this, but yes, there's a lot of stuffs in here as well. So let's come from the beginning. What is this? Let's see. That's the fast charging. Let me just take it out. Here it is. That's the fast charging point. Here we have an adapter for it, and that's a shoulder strap. The good quality, I like it. It's good. So this over here is a D-tap. Let me show it to you. So that's the D-tap. And this right here, this is the remote connector. And here I have all the different plug adapters, the different country type and all of that. So there are 1, 2, 3, and 4 of them. So there are 4 of them, and here, yes. So when I received this, even before I received the package, it is being sent through FedEx, and I'd got a call from the FedEx person for the clearance, and so what happened is, like, they had to pay certain amount to the custom duty GST. Wherein put together, it came somewhere around 6,500 change, which I had to pay them. But it's still fine to get a device like this. So even before that, all that you have to send them, share them is your KYC documents. You'll have to share them, and then they proceeded further. So we completed all the procedures, and yesterday we got a call that it's gonna be shipped and things. So today we went to the FedEx, the nearest, the location that they provided us, and we got the kit. But yeah, so far so good. I'm really happy with the product and things. Once again, a huge thank you to Atomos team and the Shogun 7. I'm looking forward to go ahead with it.